Reasons not to make video for your business, number 7. Last time I made a video, the sound was really rubbish and you couldn't really hear what I was saying. I don't know how to fix it, so I'm not going to make another video. Now, sound is really important on a video. A lot of people will listen to your video when they can't actually watch it, so you need to make sure that people can hear what you're saying clearly. The microphone on your phone isn't really the best for video, so what I do is use an external mic. Now, these don't have to be expensive. For example, the one I'm wearing today is a little lavalier mic or lapel mic. This one's Bluetooth, costs about 20 quid. You can get ones that are wired that plug straight into your phone. They're only about a tenner. There's not much you can fix these days for a tenner. Just make sure whatever microphone you get is compatible with your phone, has the right jack to go in the socket on your phone. There's no excuse for having bad sound on a video. It's a really easy fix.